Did you know that this combo washer dryer can remove pet hair before a wash cycle? Let us introduce you to the GE Profile 4.8 cubic feet UltraFast combo with Ventless Inverter heat pump technology. This all-in-one unit offers a seamless laundry experience, combining washing and drying capabilities in one sleek machine. But is it good? And why can you trust us? At Town Appliance, we bring over 45 years of experience and expertise in the appliance industry. Since 1979, we have grown from a small local business in Lakewood, New Jersey, into the most reliable appliance retailer in the tri-state area. Our team consists of appliance experts who are not just here to sell, but to help you buy what you really need. Our recommendations are based on real-world use, not just specifications. Let's get back to why the GE Profile UltraFast combo stands out. If you're interested in this model, check out the description below. Number 1. Wash and dry a large load of laundry in about 2 hours using the normal wash and eco dry cycle. Number 2. Experience a 50% increase in energy efficiency in drying compared to standard electric dryers. Number 3. Holds enough detergent and softener for up to 32 loads, dispensing the right amount automatically. Number 4. A unique solution for pet hair removal using high-speed air before the wash cycle. Number 5. Smart features. Receive remote cycle status notifications, select detergents, and download specialty cycles. Number 6. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty on the motor and a 5-year limited warranty on the sealed drying system. It's important to note that combo washers, while convenient, can have some disadvantages. They generally have longer cycle times compared to separate washers and dryers, and the drying capacity might be smaller than the washing capacity. To ensure your combo washer lasts, it's essential to follow the manufacturer's maintenance guidelines, such as regularly cleaning the lint filter and avoiding overloading the machine. If you have any questions or need help choosing the right appliance for your home, our experts at Town Appliance are always ready to assist. Visit townappliance.com today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.